Welcome back everybody. It's I think it's the 9th of June today. First video in June on my little cottage garden. As you can see, I borrowed a petrol hedge trimmer off a friend, and it's done this hedge absolutely spot on. I've still got a few little bits to keep its nice shape, and it needs weeding at the bottom there, but yeah, I'm really pleased it's managed to cut into it and really get a nice level shape to it all. Here we go. Last of the aqualeads are still flowering. As you can see here, let's see about the hedge trimming. Still got a little bit down the bottom there to do, but let's see that. Here's my geranium, absolutely gorgeous. These looking nice, the lilies, and this lupin. Wow. Wish every lupin that I grew from seed was as nice as this. Everything looking nice, lilies. These hollyoaks, as you can see, a bit of rust on there. These lupins are really, not lupins, aqualeads are really nice. The lawn needs cutting, I'm afraid. I'll do that tomorrow. As you can see, all I do when I'm weeding is just pull them up, chuck them on the lawn, and go over them with the lawnmower. This aqualead is definitely a keeper. It's quite unusual. I cannot believe the shape of it compared to the others. It's opened up and it was really flat. As you can see, these are really deep and rounded. They've got all these little wizard's hats at the back. And this, some of them don't have any on at all. That one's only got one on. Yeah, lovely. So light, it's like a pinkish colour. Oh, here's another lupin. This one's grown from seed as well, but not as nice as this one. Wow. Well over a foot tall, those flower spikes. Japanese anemones. They'll be flowering soon. There's the flower stalk, she's starting to come out. These peonies, wow, look at the ants. They absolutely love the sap that's produced. Don't need to plant any harm at all for your peonies. I'll put some stakes in for those. Some more lupins. Aqualeads, my hostas. I'm going to have to put some jars, dig some jars into the ground, stick a little bit of beer in there, try and get rid of some of them snails and slugs. Here we go, just around here like this. The tree's just starting to come into its own now. Yeah, it's always such a late grower, this tree, but when it does come out it looks really nice. Right, here's my clematis, climb up the tree nicely there. And this beautiful cream pinky oriental poppy. It's called Diane Joyce, this one. Really nice. These are my daylilies that I've transplanted earlier on this year. They should be flowering soon. These definitely need weeding. Mrs. Bradshaw, a lovely genum there. Absolutely gorgeous. You can stake this. Oh, it'll be flowering soon. Next few days that'll be opening, so better stake that. First my foxgloves have come out, as you can see. Really beautiful. The bees absolutely love them. Down the bottom here, another purple lupin, looking really nice. Yeah. You come down. The first bearded iris has come out. So you want to know why they call it a bearded iris. You see there, see that little beard there? Just inside the petal. What a deep purple. This delphinium is definitely one of my favourites, like electric blue with a beautiful white centre. This is a Crocosmia called Lucifer there. Oh, they need spraying. Look at that. Little white fly all over them. Definitely spray them tomorrow. We have a look round. This is a hosta I got from the pound shop several years ago. It's only the last 2 years it's really coming to itself. That's really nice. And this, well, I wish I'd not left these out. I left three out, one near the front of the house, and that one did alright. These one in the back garden, they got really bad frost damage. And here's my vertical planter that I made. As you can see, it's just starting to come into its own now. I'll give it a good water later on. Tied it off there. Yeah, that'll start filling out soon. Oh, look at this flower now. Clematis. Now that is what I call clematis flower. You can see from here, the hedge. I'm definitely going to shape the hedge down the side this year to some sort of shape. Any suggestions? Really appreciate it. This is another delphinium that I've grown from seed. This was in a pot last year. Planted it up because it didn't do very well, and it's going to look really nice that this year. And then my peony in pots. Flowerbuds is just starting to come into their own. It's my little bench I like to sit on, and just that's what I see when I'm sat on my bench. Absolutely love it. I'm going to water everything tonight. Everything a really good soak when the sun's about to set about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Give it all night to soak in. Yeah, and that's a quick catch up and a quick walk around my garden. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Bye.